Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with a saved workbook. Make sure it's XLSX or XLSM so themes persist. First, go to the Page Layout tab and open the Themes gallery. Click any built-in theme to see immediate visual change. This is how Excel applies coordinated colors, fonts, and effects across the sheet. Once done, use the colors, fonts, and effects drop-downs in the same group to tweak elements. These steps make a consistent look quickly, while keeping underlying styles intact. Now you'll refine the look so it matches branding or preference. You should create a new theme color palette by choosing colors. Right arrow, create new theme colors, set primary and accent shades, and save the name so it's reusable. Next, go to Fonts. Right arrow, customize fonts to choose heading and body fonts. Excel links those to the theme so headings and cells stay consistent. Adjust effects if needed and update cell styles. Finally, use Save Current Theme to export a THMX file. Finish by applying your saved THMX through Themes. Right arrow, browse for themes so the workbook adopts your custom package. If you want this theme by default for new workbooks, save a template named Book XLTX in the Excel Start or Default Templates folder. Excel will use it automatically. Make sure to save copies if collaborating. If things go wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Check that the file format supports themes and that the THMX wasn't corrupted. If themes still fail, clear Excel's cache or re-import the theme file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.